As we move into the 21st century, our landscapes and our climate are changing rapidly. How do we adapt to this change? Well, we look to Mother Nature. What is she doing? What is her response to these changing landscapes? She is being adaptive. She is responding with what we're calling novel ecosystems. On the sides of roads, on the edges of parking lots, she is coming up with these compositions of plants that are thriving in the changing conditions. How do we observe this? How do we use this pattern to design with? Vitex, volunteer pokeberry, black-capped raspberry, running comfrey, black currants, volunteer pawpaw, lemon balm, volunteer thistle, volunteer mugwort, rosa rugosa, Nanking bush cherries, volunteer milkweed, volunteer wineberries, hybrid willow, lead plant, aronia, Cuban mojito mint, more raspberries, butterflies and bees.